Looking for the best electric reciprocating saw for your next DIY or demolition project? Stay tuned as we break down the top contenders and reveal which one truly cuts above the rest. Let's kick things off with the Black+Decker, which lands at the bottom of our ranking. Now, that doesn't mean it's a bad tool, it just caters more to light-duty use. It's the most compact and lightweight option on our list, making it a great entry-level saw or a solid backup for smaller jobs around the house. This saw comes with a 7-amp motor and a max speed of 2,800 strokes per minute. One of its standout features is the removable branch holder, which actually helps stabilize limbs while cutting, perfect for yard work. It's simple, straightforward, and easy to handle, especially if you're not used to heavier tools. But here's the trade-off. It has the lowest power and the shortest stroke length in the lineup. That means it's not built for intense demolition work or slicing through thick materials like butter. You'll feel that limitation pretty quickly if you push it too hard. If you're tackling occasional pruning or light renovation tasks, this one will serve you well without weighing you down. And by the way, if you're interested in any of the tools mentioned today, we've dropped the best deals for each one down in the description. Go check them out! Next up, the Craftsman comes in 4th place. It's a step up in performance, especially when you look at its cutting speed. It actually offers the highest strokes per minute in this entire lineup. That makes a big difference when you're trying to power through materials quickly. It's equipped with a slightly stronger 7.5 amp motor and matches the standard 1 1/8 inch stroke length found in pro-level models. This one also features a tool-free blade release system, which is super handy when you're switching blades on the fly. It's built for folks who want a little more power and speed, but don't want to go all in on a heavy-duty saw. However, its biggest drawback is the lack of transparency around its weight. For something you're holding and maneuvering during use, weight really matters. That unknown might give some buyers pause, especially when comparing it to others that clearly list their specs. All in all, the Craftsman is a reliable choice if you need a faster saw that still stays in the beginner to intermediate zone. It won't outshine the heavyweights, but it's a solid tool to have in your arsenal. And hey, if you're getting value out of this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gear breakdowns just like this. In 3rd place, we've got the Bosch. This one's for those who want compact power. It packs a strong 12-amp motor and maintains that standard 1 1/8 inch stroke length, so you're getting solid cutting power in a smaller package. One of its big selling points is the compact design, which really helps when you're working in tighter spots or overhead. It's got a good power-to-weight ratio too. The addition of constant orbital action gives you smoother, faster cuts through different materials. This saw is all about efficiency and maneuverability, but even though it's compact, it does have a couple of drawbacks. It lacks advanced vibration control and has a fixed foot plate, which limits how much flexibility you have when adjusting your cut. It's also a bit more stripped down in terms of features compared to the top 2 contenders. If you want something that's dependable and easier to control, especially in awkward spaces, the Bosch is a great choice. It's a nice bridge between casual use and more serious projects. Now we're getting serious. In 2nd place, it's the DeWalt, a powerhouse known for rugged build quality and reliable performance. This saw means business and is definitely built with heavy-duty jobs in mind. The 12-amp motor delivers impressive power, and the 4-position blade clamp is a standout feature. It lets you adjust the blade angle for flush cutting, which gives you a ton of versatility whether you're working on demo, plumbing, or even trimming tree limbs. It also has a variable speed trigger, so you can dial in the control depending on the task at hand. What holds it back from the top spot? While it's strong and dependable, it's a little on the heavier side, which can wear you down during long sessions. And of course, being corded, you're tethered to a power source, something that limits mobility a bit. This one's ideal for serious DIYers or pros who want solid, consistent power and don't mind the cord. It gets the job done and then some. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the Makita. This is the best all-around reciprocating saw on our list. It blends power, precision, and usability in a way that makes it hard to beat. It's got a strong 12 amp motor like the others, but where it really shines is in that extra long one and 3/16 inch stroke length. That gives you more cutting action per stroke, which means faster, smoother cuts. The toolless blade change and well-balanced design make it feel comfortable and responsive, even for longer jobs. If we had to nitpick, it doesn't have an orbital action mode, which could make cutting certain materials a bit slower. And yes, like the others, it's corded, so you'll need an outlet nearby. But for anyone who wants serious cutting performance without sacrificing control or comfort, the Makita is the clear winner. It's the saw that'll power through your toughest tasks and still feel great in your hands. There you have it. 5 electric reciprocating saws ranked from light-duty champs to serious cutting machines. If you want to check out any of the saws we talked about today, the best deals are all linked down in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more gear reviews that help you get the job done right.